Ball valves, as in this example, are rotational motion valves. They use a ball-shaped disc to stop or start fluid flow. Now take a look at the following 3D animation. It shows a typical ball valve. The ball or the spherical plug that you can see here performs the same function as the disc in the globe valve. When the valve handle is turned to open the valve, the ball rotates to a point where the hole through the ball is in line with the valve body, inlet and outlet. When the valve is shut, the ball is rotated so that the hole is perpendicular to the flow openings of the valve body and the flow is stopped.